Hello, I just want to share with you this Bible verse from 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 6 to 7. Humble yourself, therefore, under the mighty hand of God, so that at the proper time He may exalt you, casting all your anxieties on Him, because He cares for you. Ang ganda ng verse natin, no? God cares for you. For context lang, isinulat ni Peter yung 1 Peter letter sa mga Christian na dumadaan sa hirap at persecution during those times, no? And this verse, humble yourself, ibig sabihin lang po nito, no? Minsan may time sa buhay natin or may season sa buhay natin na ang dami-dami nating pinagdadaanan, lalo na pag mga challenge yung pinagdadaanan natin, nakakalimutan natin na there is only one being that is in control, and that is God. So minsan nagiging mayabang tayo na hindi, kaya ko tong mag-isa, kaya kong malampasan to, lilipas din to, basta tagan ko lang yung sarili ko. But in this verse, sabi dito, humble yourself, therefore, under the mighty hand of God. So sabi niya, magpakumbaba daw tayo before God, because God is in control of everything. Kailangan lang natin i-acknowledge si God sa mga nangyayari sa buhay natin. At the same time, no, paminsan gusto nating sundin yung will natin. Hindi, ito yung pinagdadaanan ko. So, dapat sa panahong ito, tapos na tong pagsubok na to. But let me tell you, God is in control. Matatapos lang yan kapag ginusto niya. So, let us submit to the will of God. Hindi natin pwedeng sundin yung mga sarili natin or our deceitful heart. We need to trust the will of the Lord. Actually, when we trust God, it is not a sign of weakness, but it is a sign of humbleness. It is a sign that we trust God's will in our life. So lastly, no, kung may pinagdadaanan man kayo ngayon, or may pinagdadaanan man kayong sobrang hirap ngayon na feeling mo hindi na matatapos yan, isa lang ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, let God lead your life and trust Him with all your heart. Surrender everything to God. Makikita mo, hindi mo mapapansin na, uy, si God na pala yung nag-work sa buhay mo. And everything will be very smooth in your life. So, I pray for you, brothers and sisters, for this day na kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan ninyo, may God help you and may you always trust in the Lord.